Ever caught yourself staring at someone's mouth while they're talking? It's a common habit, but it can send the wrong signals. You see, when we focus on a person's mouth, it can make them feel uncomfortable, as if they're being scrutinized. Worse yet, it can make you seem disinterested, as if their words aren't worth your full attention. And let's not forget the importance of eye contact in communication. It's a silent language in itself. But there's a way to train yourself out of this habit. The eyes are the windows to the soul, but they're also your key to better communication. Start by focusing on one eye at a time. This might feel strange at first, but it's an effective technique. Imagine a triangle with the eyes as the base, or picture the person's face as a clock with your focus between the hours of 10 and 2. These methods can help you shift your attention from the mouth to the eyes. Remember, practice makes perfect. Looking directly into someone's eyes can feel intense, so here are some additional tips to help you maintain comfortable eye contact. Don't be afraid to take brief breaks. Try shifting your gaze to the bridge of the nose, the forehead, or just over the shoulder. This will give you a moment to gather your thoughts without breaking the connection. And remember, it's essential to blink naturally. There's a fine line between engaging eye contact and a fixed stare. With these tips, you're well on your way to mastering the art of eye contact. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started off by understanding the issues that arise when we focus on a person's mouth while they speak. We then delved into a step-by-step guide to train ourselves to maintain eye contact, underlining the eyes as the true windows to effective communication. We also touched upon additional tips to keep this eye contact comfortable and non-threatening. Remember, communication is not just about what you say, but also how you say it. So keep practicing, and soon you'll be making eye contact like a pro.